everyone. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. To this week, I know I have already got ready for 2 days, Monday and Friday. I know Friday you all might be thinking that I'll be getting ready, but I thought why not just take my day off, and I know I have to catch up with all orders today. So I thought, okay, first let me finish that because uh, first let me. I was about to do my detox mask, so I thought why not I will do in live, and also I can talk to you guys and keep me posted on all updates. That way I can do two in one. I know all women are multitaskers, right? So let me just put a little bit of moisture in my face. I just showered, so I don't have anything on my face now. I didn't even do my skincare because this week, as you know, I was getting ready almost all 4 days or 5 days. Hi Vidya, good morning. Thank you for hopping on. So the updates will be from the stock up sale and also on the new ones. I had to place two orders because it was like first one was obviously my monthly stock up, and also I had to grab few of the missed ones from the sale. For example, the plum was the super hit, which I didn't have. So today I'm just using the detox mask for today because usually I do it on my weekends, but since I'm not getting ready anyway today, I thought I will just use this. If you have even acne prone skin, this will be like a perfect place for you to start with, because we all need exfoliators, whether you like a scrub or whether you like a mask. It's like we constantly produce dead skin cells, so we all need to clear that up, or else that's how it's going to, the dead cells are going to clog your pores and you will start to break out. And this mask itself is like detox come moisturizing mask, but I always like to add more. So here I am just going to add a tiny drop of nangai oil. If you are someone who has very dry skin, particularly in winter, this will be a perfect grab. And you can see I'm just going to add one little drop. That's all going to you need. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix them, and I'm going to apply while I was going to keep talking to you, because anyway this mask is going to be there for 20 minutes, and you can also see how it's like a non-drying mask. It's not going to what is it, like if you are someone who doesn't like I don't know whether you guys have tried. We in India we something called multani matti, which will be like a drying mask. Even I know some people will do sandalwood mask. Those will be like dry, and it will literally pull your skin. But whereas this one is like a non-drying mask. When I started, I used to just leave it, because this you can do that too. But recently I learned when you massage it to your skin, it works even better, because it's going to increase what say like blood circulation. So obviously when you have more oxygen to your blood cells, I mean your skin cells, they are going to even perform really better. So this is my recent what is it, like learning. As I'm doing this, I learn things on the go. No one knows everything. So hi Prashanti, good morning. Thank you so much for hopping on. Happy Friday to everyone who is watching. And what else? So let me add a little bit of water to my mask, and then so I have placed both the orders, and both orders got shipped. So they'll be arriving mostly, I am expecting early next week. So what I'm going to do is my favorite way is to already keep the packaging ready. So that way, when I will also write down everyone's name and also their what and all they ordered. That way I can add the customized products to that. For example, the samples that go with it, the for example, if they are first timers, I need to add the beauty book to their orders. All those stuff I keep it ready. That way when the order comes in, I can just grab and go, like I can put them whatever they needed, and I can ship out the package immediately. I just need to weigh in and just add those. And you can add this mask to your neck too. Always make sure whenever you do some skincare, you cover your neck too, because neck will be another area where it will start to show signs of aging. So that is how you will be able to take care. And as you can see, it's already started to clear out. The fun thing about this mask is it's going to clean out your pores, like how we detox for our body. What this is going to do is it's going to pull all the junk from the underneath the surface of the skin, and it will start to pull out. So when you start using it, if you break out, don't don't freak out, because hi Kirti, thank you so much for hopping on, dear. So it is like it's doing the purpose what it's supposed to do. And if you have even the jade roller, I don't know how many of you have it. I really love it. I usually keep it near my bedtime, because after I do my nighttime skincare, I can go back and just do. You don't need to do what to say, like so much time. You just need just like a 2 minutes just to improve circulation. So do you see the mask, it start to clearing out? Hi Farah, good morning. I think I will get to see you today or tomorrow mostly, so that will be fun. So Farah is my downline, and she's an awesome person to be with for any day. Like, I mean, she's such a kind hearted, and the way she loves, she's I myself was like that. No one will believe, but I should post a picture where when I started the Shadow Sense color, because people always say you do very well, but we don't know. But you should see how I used to blend, and you can see it's just by practice you will reach it. Farah is similar way, but she is learning each day, and I'm so proud of you, Farah, for that. She tries to incorporate each one in her routine, whether it's makeup or skincare, and she's rocking the business. So I'm so glad, Farah. And what else? So so the packaging, I'm going to get everybody's ready, so don't even worry about it. Everything will get shipped out early next week, because my packages are priority mail. So even though it will say, for example, if it says Wednesday, FedEx always ships because it's overnight from California. So it will not show for 1 or 2 days, but by the time I check the updates, it will already be closer to my place, and they will deliver it in a day or two. So that is how it is. And this mask is good for even if you have a teenage kid who is starting to break out, and this will be a nice way for them to incorporate, because this tub will last so long. Thank you, Farah. Thank you so much. I'm happy that we both are doing this together. I know Shweta was there, and I know she's a little busy these days, but she's a very good learner too. So so the detox mask, you can see the tub size. You will just use a tiny amount, and you have so much stuff left out. So these tubs and all, any exfoliator in Senegence will last you, I would say, minimum 6 to 8 months. So $50 for your own facial or self-care is totally worth it, because you are just going to use twice a week, but this is the one you can use even for thrice a week, because it's very gentle. And if you have breakouts and you don't like to have like a scrub consistency, this is such a perfect way. So that way you can just leave it with a very thin layer. The ingredient wise, if you see, it has kaolin clay and volcanic ash and all. So kaolin clay, what it does is, it is as I said, it pulls all the impurities, and it also has green tea extract. So most of Senegen's products, if you see, they will have anti-bacterial, antimicrobial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory properties. So that is why even if you're having some breakouts and all, this is going to treat it, and it also going to improve the skin texture. So if you think that my makeup is good, unless your skin underneath is good, your makeup will not adhere better. So that's like a basic thing, and I'm so passionate about this skincare because I know we always neglect ourselves and think that this is going to take too much time for us to do. So this is like your self-care thing you can do. Like we all recently we started drinking like a gallon of water, which again is like another way of detoxing. So doing it in simpler way to include in your lifestyle will become as a habit, and then you don't have to consciously do it. You will be able to do it without what is it, like thinking about it too much. Like this and all is like any day when you have like extra 10-15 minutes of your time, you can just grab and just do it. These have like peptides and natural minerals. So do you see this? This is the mask. So if I'm not what is it, like wash it for, I can even leave it for so long because it's not going to pull harsh on me, and it will just moisturize at the same time. And so that is one thing. The second thing is, I think I still forgetting to post the promotion for the free mascara. I know, I'm really sorry. This whole week has been crazy busy, so I was catching up with so many other things, so I didn't post it. So if you're looking to stock up on any skincare orders from the website, if you're a Kiss and Tell member, then there is a promotion for a free mascara of your choice, whether black or black brown. At the same way, you can pick whether waterproof or non-waterproof for any order of $100 or more. So if you are a Kiss and Tell member, you can utilize that. It is there till February 7th. So it's like for $100 you will get 10% off, free shipping, and also you will be able to pick a $28 worth of mascara free. So of your choice, whether it's, as I said, whether it's waterproof or non-waterproof, black or black brown. So that is one thing I need to post. I hope I will post it today so that you can utilize it. And second thing was, there was also a promo which was for I think everyone loved the Heartbreaker lip sense. So Heartbreaker was one of our Valentine's Day color. I think it released 2-3 years back. So if you buy Fly Girl, Heartbreaker and Red Glitter Gloss, it was $70, but you get $25 worth of Senegen's brush set free. So I think I need to post that too. Both of these are on online. I cannot do anything. I think the second one I need to place the order, but it's $750 shipping. So that's the only thing. So that one, so both the promos I will post. And the other question I get to asked all the time is to show the skincare storage I have. So because I usually do my videos downstairs, so I keep forgetting to post this. So let me show you what I have it here, because this makes it so easy for me to grab it anytime. I know it. We all have limited space when it comes to our storage. Let me show you that. I was always get pinged of that because I know I have so many of that. So this is the one I have. You can see this is my personal collection. So I have every single skincare I use morning and night, and also my gold mask to my makeup and concealers, everything. So I mostly try to group it. So if you see here, I have my brightening, and then the same order I will have climate control, my daytime whatever I use, like the retinol, Serum C, and here we have the spot on and anti-wrinkle. Here I have my eye creams and eye illuminator. So it's like basically it helps me to save more space, because if I have to keep them individually, it will take so much space. Previously I used to, but this makes it so easy for me to grab. Similar way, here I have all my eyeliners, my mascaras, and my pencils, my concealers, my what else? I have my lips what to say, like my lip smooth, my lip voluminizer. So this is a very what is it, like nice one to have, because for me the counter space was little smaller, because it is not a one big stretch, it's his and hers. So I have to have this on one side, and then my makeup brushes and other things on the other side. So this is one I always wanted to show you guys. And what else I have for today? Like, I think I pretty much covered. Thank you so much for everyone who wished me the whole week. I was having a fun time, and it makes you feel special, and it gives such a warmth to know many of you are thinking about you. So that's such a good feel to have. And pretty much I'm going to take my weekend off, and as I said, I have to catch up with, I know the tax season will come, so I have to keep updating on my my last year's stock, and my expenses, and also that's one big chunk of work pending from my side. And also, if I haven't sent your what say, like the videos, I know a few of them is going already got the package, and few of them they're going to get it today. So bear with me since I was little busy. Usually I try to send it the day I send a package. And thank you so much for all the love. So I was little behind on that. Bear with me, I will try to send it by today end of day. And that's it. So next week again, once you get the products, you will have it. And other thing I forgot is obviously the hair care week. I am so happy everybody is loving it and participating in it. I think it's getting over by Sunday, so make sure you watch for all the posts. I think today is the last line that's getting posted, the hair balance line, which is the normal to oily line. So if you have oily scalp, do check that, because it's more of a clarifying shampoo for anyone who has oily scalp and gets oily too often. So that's one thing. And also for whoever is participating on the Senalook app pictures, thank you so much. I am really loving to see you every day, because whenever I talk to anybody, they will always say it's good to see you every day. But now I can relate to that, because now I get to see you guys every day in different colors, which really makes me happy. So thank you so much for participating. So once the hair care week thing done, I will do that raffle, and this raffle will be again pending from me. That will be, I think I need to do it along with the March 1st when I was doing the top contributor for February. So those two will come little later. So I think that's all. I think I pretty much covered everything I have to say. If you have any questions, always please feel free to reach me. And you can always ping me in any platforms, whether it's been what to say, like WhatsApp messages or anything. You can always ping me or do a video call if you need application techniques, or if you're looking for brushes, anything, please reach out. I'll be happy to help. And have a wonderful day, guys. Hope you all are enjoying your Friday, and see you all soon in another video. Bye.